Dear students and colleagues, we are glad to inform you that there will be English Week. It will be last from 14th February up to 18th February. As you know, English is a world language, and to know English is absolutely necessary for all educated person. English is everywhere in our life, and during this holiday, we invite you to take part in our competition, to visit parties and shows. On 14th of February, on Monday, there will be opening ceremony.
Hello everybody, I congratulate you with the opening of English Week. We are going to have very interesting events, shows, competitions and performance and so on this week. And I ask you, all my students and all the teachers of the school Simbai, take active part in these events, because our tasks not only for students, for all teachers also, because our English language nowadays very useful, very important and widespread language, you know that. And that's why you should know that only English everywhere and every day now, you should speak, you should know that. Now at the end of the week, we'll appreciate and will award for excellent behavior and participating actively in our events with the certifications and prizes. Now I wish good luck my colleagues and my students. Good luck for everybody.
February 14th on Monday, opening ceremony of the English Week. There will be presentation, songs, posters. February 15th, Tuesday, movie time. You will watch movies, cartoons, songs on TV. And book crossing, you should read books, guess the riddles, crossword puzzles. 15th February on Wednesday, we'll have competition Smart Guys. Grade 5th, 6th are going to compete. 16th February on Tuesday, we'll have an intellectual game Who is the Best? Grade 7 till 8. 18th February on Friday, closing meeting. We are inviting you to take part in our party and to watch the performance of Fairy Tale, Robin Hood, Legendary Hero, and Golden Fish, grades from 1 till 11. There will be songs, poems, and plays. Also, you will hear the results of the English Week. We'll award the participants of the English Week. Be active during the week, and we call you to speak only English at all lessons, not only this week. You should speak all year.
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said were to gain?
What about killing fields? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said were yours and mine?
Did we ever stop to notice all the blood we had before? Did we ever stop to notice this crying used to be before?
What have you done to the world? Look what you've done. What about all the peace that you pledged your only son?
What about flooring fields? Is there time?
What about all the dreams that you said yours and mine?
Did you ever stop to notice all the children dead from war? Did you ever stop to notice this crying as this rhythm shore?